This project, a collaboration between an academic institution, the University of Rome Tor Vergata, and the Italian cooperation we funded it, has established with the specific aim to help Kurdistan to develop strong cultural relations with the European Union and the other Western countries. We are all aware of how Kurdistan plays at this time a crucial role in the entire region, and we appreciate the fact that it has become a place of tolerance, multiculturalism and hospitality really unprecedented in the Middle East area.
Much to start my speech with expression of our great thanks and appreciation for Italian government and people for their continuous support to our region in different sectors. Particularly in health sector, there are much to be mentioned. Dear colleagues, this bilateral project for developing a convenient health information system in Kurdistan will be a crucial and strong moving forward step to improve healthcare services and fasten reform program in healthcare system.
This project
cooperation fund and support, and to the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I remember last summer I was at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Italy, and I met the Minister Gaudiano. His Excellency asked me directly about this project and about the advantages if we have this project done. And I was really very honest in telling him the needs, but also telling him the facts we have many challenges. So I'm still there, we have many challenges to make this happen. That's why we need more commitment from your side and from our side.
Again, thanks and appreciation for Tor Vergata University in Roma, and also thanks for Erbil Consulate of Italy. Great thanks for our teams in the planning department.
Today I would like to really thank the Kurdistan regional government, the Ministry of Health, and the Minister himself. I'm really happy and glad that you are here with us today.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Warm welcome to our guests, Dr. Sergio, Dr. Leonardo, Dr. Dario, and Dr. Faik from Erbil. بیانیت هم باش بیارم بخیرات مهموله کن.
Is to collect data day by day, patient by patient, so that we could become able to follow the health development throughout the time, but at the same time also to be able to compare the data at an international level.
I can manage the single event data, I can enter using my mobile phone, and I can manage view using my mobile phone, and I could also manage the statistics and the data report from the mobile phone. The same thing.
Despite all the problems, Kurdistan and its population understand the importance of creating strong international ties and seeing the project an opportunity to do so. I am glad I could participate in this initiative, and I am convinced that it represents only the first step of a much wider cooperation between Italy and Kurdistan.
Thank you.